U avgustu na Cinemaxu i Cinemaxu 2.
The things I do for my country.
Cinemax donosi mainstream zabavu.
I'm thinking of robbing a bank.
U velikom stilu.
I'm thinking about buying a Ferrari.
He was 40 years old, taking advantage of a child.
It was my childhood, and it's just, it was complicated.
Priča.
10 years ago in the hive, we both failed. We let this happen. Make it right.
Pritajeno zlo, konačno poglavlje. Triple X, povratak Zandera Cagea. Gospodina Vila, nova sezona. Cinemax 2 prikazuje arti nezavisne filmove. Lavirint, Lepotica i psi, Menaše, Tri vrha. Filmski stručnjaci za filmofile. Na Cinemaxu i Cinemaxu 2.